In this video, we'll be looking at the new AR beta features inside of iBwave Wi-Fi Mobile. So let's start with our floor plan. From the Design tab, we can go in and click to add some APs all around our floor and basically do a quick design. Now we run a prediction and we see the coverage that we get. This is for 2.4 gigahertz, so now we can switch to the 5 gigahertz band and see our results. In this latest release, we have a new beta feature called AR mode. Now, if we want to see our prediction using the AR technology, we click on the AR mode tab located on the right. And then we can click on the output map button, which will launch the AR module. Now we need to do a calibration to set up our position. There are two options, the standard mode or the quick mode, which is a bit faster but less precise. So let's use the quick method. First, you need to identify the floor. You scan around with your tablet, and once the grid lock shows on the floor, then we can click next. And then we need to define our location on the floor plan. And here I just find my position. I'm right at the reception entrance. So I'm going to click here. And then you select the direction which you're pointing your device at. And then press track to start tracking your position. And then finish. Now we click on the icon at the bottom right to show the RSSI heat map. I just want to go in filter and focus on the low signal values. So this is the coverage that we get with the basic design that we just did using all of our APs. So here you can pan around the room and show your customer in AR how the network will perform. The default view mode is wave, so we can go in and select cubic. You can also select flat mode. I prefer wave, so I'm just going to go back in and select wave. From here, you can change the amplitude of the wave, how high you want it to go. You can select the range of the circles, or if you don't want to have them at all, you can put them to 0. And you can change the opacity of your map. So if you want it fully opaque or semi-transparent. So you can play around with the settings and find what you like. Now I'm going to go in the filter section and select high signal values. So that way we can see the higher signal values where our wave is highest. Now let's say we want to see our survey data in AR. We can use the survey here, which I did previously using the mobile app. And we'll go to the survey tab and then click on interpolation. Now we see the interpolation for 5 gigahertz. Let's select the AP with the coverage that we want to see. So we select channel 64 here. Now we can go back to the AR mode. So we click on the tab and then we can click on output map. From here we'll have to do our calibration. We can use the standard method here. So we'll need to scan around the room. So you take your camera and you just go around your room until the yellow arrow reaches the end of the line. Then we click next. Then we'll need to locate our floor. So we point the camera to the floor until we see the grid lock appear on the floor. Then we'll need to do our 2 corner measurements. So let me walk around here until we arrive at this hallway entrance here. So I'll need to set a position on the floor plan for this corner right here. So once I click, I can choose middle side. Then we'll need to walk over to the other side of that hallway and just again pick that corner on the floor plan and set my position. Now that we're located on our floor plan, we can click the bottom right icon to view our survey data. Right now we're seeing the information from the AP that we selected, which is on channel 64. We can change the attributes of our map, change the opacity, or remove the grid. In the filter tab, we can focus on high signal values and set the threshold level to show where we have coverage higher than this value. I can also go to the amplitude and change how high I want the wave to be displayed. What if we want to locate our equipment in AR? Well, we need to first calibrate like we did before, and then switch from the RF map to the navigation map. Now we can see the APs on our floor plan, and I'm going to select an AP here, and then switch to AR mode. And then we can see where our AP is located. We also see the cabling that goes from the AP to all the other APs in our design. So we can pan around and see the cabling. Now we can also locate the AP in the bottom right using the navigation bubble. So I'm making my way here to our AP, and there it is. We see that it's a little bit off, maybe 1 meter, but this is where AP number 1 is located. Now if I want to locate another AP or any other type of equipment present in my design, I can just click on another number, and then this will select my other AP. So here I see in my navigation map at the bottom, the navigation bubble, where AP number 2 is located. So I'm gonna make my way over there. Okay, there I see it with the cabling. So it should be right around this corner here if I look at my navigation bubble. And there it is. This is where my AP number 2 is. So this is how we can locate equipment using AR. Thank you for watching.